Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Bill plus E. Billy the Kid. The Kid. Billy the Kid. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our show. We are delighted to welcome two newcomers to Classic
today. On our last program, we said goodbye to a young man and a young woman.
Both of them went away as big winners. Both of them are parents of newborn babies. Let's find out if that's the case today. We'll start with the gentleman on my right, Grady Manley.
Hello.
Welcome aboard, Grady.
Thank you.
Are you married? You are married.
Yes, I am married.
Any newborns in your family?
I had newborns 7 and 9 years ago.
All righty. Let's meet your opponent. Her name is Elizabeth Chappell. Hi, Elizabeth.
Hi there.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married. No children. That's like a long time in the future. I just have to let you know that you are a handsome devil.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's take a look over here and we will show you one of the prizes you're playing for in this game.
The VHS camcorder with 12 times variable speed, power zoom lens, plus high-speed electronic shutter and editing functions. Back to the handsome devil.
Boy, Elizabeth, you may have started something that Gene is not going to let me forget for a long while. Let's show you where you can find that video recorder. The camera is dead center at number 13. We also have a holiday in Jamaica in this game, and you get to go first.
That sounds great.
As a matter of fact, I took my honeymoon in Jamaica, so that'd be really nice.
This would be a nice place to return to.
Yes.
Did you stay at the Blue Mountain Inn?
No, I stayed at a very little tiny hotel in Negril.
Ah, that's a pretty place.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 numbers.
Okay, let's try number 2.
Artwork.
Artwork. Let's see what's under number 23. Hopefully a match.
200 California lottery tickets. No match for you. Grady.
Okay, let's try number 8.
Table tennis set.
Okay, and how about right above it at number 3?
Jamaica, man.
betcha.
Jamaica.
Oh my gosh.
No match.
Okay, let's see if Jamaica's under 17.
Mattress set.
Mattress set. Okay, let's try 10.
10 for the mattress set. We'll work out. You've got a wild card. All right, Elizabeth, the other mattress set is at number 1. And so 3 doors are going to open for you. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 12.
Green take.
Let's look for the match under 25.
Artwork. No match. Green take.
Let's look for the match under 25.
Artwork. No match. Grady.
Artwork. How about number 2?
2. Sounds good to me.
And 25.
That's a combination that'll work.
You bet.
Little bit of blue in that upper left-hand corner. Let's see if we can put some kind of a symbol in behind the artwork. Yes, but not enough, I fear. Pick again, Grady.
Let's try number 19.
Table tennis set.
Okay, and how about number 8?
There's a match for you and another opportunity to look at the puzzle with 2 more doors opening up. Grady? Pick again.
Number 16.
Green take.
And how about number 12?
Green take.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Take it indeed.
That
Now,
means
Elizabeth has the mattress set.
Jamaica.
You're going to hold out for Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Open these 2 panels for Grady. Pick again.
Number 20.
Broiler rotisserie.
And how about number 5?
No, red take. Elizabeth.
Okay, let's see what's under number 22, please.
Crystal stemware.
Ooh, I like that. What's under number 9?
Crystal
Oh
stemware.
my gosh, yay!
A match for Elizabeth. And another look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Okay, let's open up the board at number 14, please.
Jamaica.
Oh, my gosh. Jamaica. Maybe number 21, please?
No, Grady says, but Grady knows where it is.
You betcha, number 3.
Number 3.
Number 14.
A combination that works, and he's got the green take. He's got the green take that he can use to grab
that
something.
red one, I'm coming back with it.
Okay.
You betcha.
All right, open these 2 doors for Grady Manley. Select.
Number 21. And how about trying my luck with 23?
23 is a match. Am I correct in assuming that you don't intend to use this?
Not yet, not yet.
All right. Open it up. Pick again.
Let's try number 24.
Pearl necklace.
And how about number 7?
Video camera. No match. Elizabeth.
Okay, let's try number 5.
Red take.
Oh, geez. Was that number 11?
Yes.
Oh, yay.
Now, Elizabeth, bit of strategy involved here, of course.
Oh, my
You've got the red one, he's got the green one. Now, you can look at it this way. You could grab Jamaica, and he's got to get control of the board. He's got to make a match in order to use his green take. On the other hand, if you don't grab Jamaica now, you might make another match and solve the puzzle and not have had an opportunity to enjoy
I'll
that
take
holiday.
Jamaica, hey.
All right. Just trying to point out all the possibilities. Jamaica goes from here to there, and down here, 2 doors will swing open. Pick again, Elizabeth.
Okay, number 20, please.
Broiler rotisserie.
Was that under number 4? Oh, wow.
That's a match. It upsets Grady. He is seeing things slip from his grasp in this game. Open these 2 doors. Select again.
Jeez. What's under number 6?
Pearl necklace.
And was the match under 24?
Oh, man.
Yes. Open it up
Love
again.
to have one of those.
Open it up again. Pick again. All you have to do now is make 1 match, of course.
Number 7, please.
Video camera.
Was the match for that under 15?
No.
Thank you, Lord. Yeah.
There were 2. It was almost impossible for Elizabeth to not come
you're right,
out
'cause
a
the
winner
other-
on this because the other wild card is there. The
betcha.
other video camera
shoot.
is at number 13. So those 3 doors are going to open, and we will show you 18. That's the other wild card. And now, Elizabeth, solve this puzzle. Open it up, please. It won't go. Can you solve it from this? Everything is there for you, Elizabeth.
Fire's
All right.
butt?
You didn't say anything in time. I'm sorry. Grady?
You bet. Fire escape.
Is it fire escape?
But I didn't get my Jamaica.
Yes, it is fire escape, but no Jamaica. Come on to the board.
You bet.
Go, Grady.
Okay. Right here we have the fire from the smoke signals. You say S because it has the quotes around it. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. I gave that maybe a clue. But and then this the cape, which finally showed fire escape. Fire escape.
Congratulations. Well done. And we had a situation there that has never occurred in 4.5 years on our program. We were left with just the 1 number, the 1 symbol, and that was 1 wild card, and our computer would not get rid of that. Elizabeth, 1 strike against you. Sorry it didn't work out. It was all there for you, but you may get another. You'll get another chance in game number 2, and it may work out better for you there.
I sure
We'll
hope
see you
so.
then. All right, Grady, some prizes for you.
Thank you.
And here's what you're going to receive. Gene?
200 California lottery tickets, a table tennis set, and artwork. Martin Lawrence Gallery's beautiful limited edition serograph, Hunt Crossing by Mark King. It's numbered and hand-signed by the artist, furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries, a prize package totaling $2,460.
That's a good beginning for Grady Manley, and when we return, he will have his first shot at the car round after this. 15 numbered squares coming up for Grady Manley. Here they are, and the clock, base time, 35 seconds. Grady, go to work.
1, 3,
No,
4, 6,
no,
7, 9,
nope,
1, 9,
right,
10, 12,
nope,
13, 6,
yes,
15, 2,
no,
12, 2,
yes,
5, 15,
yes,
8, 11,
no,
14, 3,
no,
11, 3,
right,
7, 8,
no.
7, 4.
I'll tell you what, somebody in the audience just yelled out, good shot.
Yep.
And I don't know if that young lady is related to you or not, but she is right. That was a very good shot. You
Very
were moving.
related.
Is she?
Yes.
Oh, yeah?
My wife.
Your wife. Well,
Yeah.
that's related.
Yeah.
You've got $2,460 in prizes, and we're going to take a break, and then we'll come back and play game number 2.
All right.
Grady took the first game. Elizabeth has 1 strike against her. Grady took the game, but did not get the holiday in Jamaica that he was hoping to win.
Nope.
So we're going to have to make up for that.
That sounds
in
good.
game
I
number
did that
2.
intentionally.
You did that intentionally? Oh, mean. However, even though she's mean, she could wind up winning this beautiful piece of jewelry in game 2.
A spectacular diamond cluster ring of 14-karat gold with 22 brilliant full-cut diamonds, 2.5 carat total weight, and exclusive design of the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
And let's show Elizabeth and Grady where they will find that beautiful diamond ring at number 21. Only 1 wild card in this game, players, but we do have the 5 bonus car seconds. We have $500 in the cash pot and a holiday in Cancun, Mexico.
wow.
And Elizabeth,
Okay.
the first selection is yours.
Oh, of course. Number 3, please.
Electronic keyboard.
Oh, my husband would love that. Let's try 24 for the match.
Cancun, Mexico. No match. Grady?
All right. How about number 15
Green take.
and number 7?
Computer. No match. Elizabeth?
Okay, let's see what's under number 17, please.
Popcorn popper.
Oh, I've always needed one of those. And the match under number 10.
Popcorn popper. Well done.
Wouldn't you know?
Wouldn't you know? Those are fun. Are you one of these individuals who can stop eating popcorn anytime you want? Or are you like me and you just keep going until you get right through the cardboard?
I don't eat it, but my stepmother eats it continuously with tons of melted butter, so she would just
Ooh,
die
that'd
for
be-
this.
Wouldn't that be a great gift to give her?
Yes.
Let's open the 2 doors. Select again.
Okay, let's try number 1.
Computer.
And was the match for that under number 7?
Yes. Good match. Another 2 doors
right.
opening for Elizabeth. Do it now. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 19, please.
Cash spot.
Ooh, I'd like that. The match under 4, possibly?
Diamond ring. No match. Grady.
Okay, number 8.
Red take.
And how about number 16?
No. And I just looked up in the audience and I thought I detected a little frown on your wife because you passed or you missed the opportunity to make a match on the diamond ring.
And I will try that number 4, please. And number 21, please, for the
21.
match.
That was there for Grady.
I've got to win this one.
She's got to win this one, she says.
got to.
Open these 2 panels for
Otherwise, I'll
Elizabeth.
have to waylay him.
Select again, Elizabeth.
Okay, number 14, please.
Home security system.
Let's try for the match under 18.
Green take, no match. Grady?
Okay, how about let's try number 16?
His and her 10-speed bikes?
It. Number 24.
No, there's Cancun. Elizabeth.
Okay, let's see what's under number 5.
Cash pot.
Oh, gosh. Was that 22?
No. Home security system. Grady.
Number 19.
Cash pot.
Number 5.
Cash pot.
Money.
Money.
On the day.
Yeah, she's applauding you on that one.
All
Open
right.
the doors. Pick again.
Number 14. And number 22.
Home security system is a match, and that's another opportunity for you to study the puzzle as 2 more doors swing open. Select again.
Number 25.
Cancun, Mexico.
Oh, shoot. Number 15.
No, green take. Elizabeth.
Number 23, please.
Word processor.
Oh, gosh. Number 13, please.
Red tape. Grady.
How about 24?
Cancun.
25.
Yeah, you guys are in the right area. I guess you got a little confused by the fact that they were side by side. 2 more panels opening up for Grady Manley. Select again.
Number 8.
Red tape.
Golly, where was that? 20.
Wild card, so it's going to work out. The other red tape on the board at 13. Anything you want to grab?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, somebody in the audience is yelling diamond ring. Open the 3 doors. He's passed on it. Select again, Grady.
Number 3.
Electronic
Oh,
keyboard.
yeah, that's right. Number 9.
Electronic
All right.
keyboard. Worked out for you. Now would you like to use...
No.
Okay.
I want Cancun. I want a trip so badly.
I know, but you may miss an opportunity here. Open it up. Select again.
Number 6.
His and her 10-speed bikes.
And was that number 16?
Yes. Open it up. Select. Ooh, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to use it now. Hands on your signaling buttons. Ready to ring in. We're going to start revealing, beginning with number 2, 11, 12, 15, 18, and 23. Grady?
I want to be loved by you.
I want to be loved by you.
Oh, man.
Yes. All right, let's go to the board.
Oh, man, I tell you. All right, this is the I, and what threw me off was I thought this was his hat, but it's his wand. His wand, I want to be. I thought that was a rose, but it's a B. Loaf, loaf plus D is loafed. B plus the eye of the needle, by, and a pretty little you. I want to be loved by you.
All right. This is a take.
That's okay. That's okay.
A diamond ring. I hope it doesn't come back to haunt you. Elizabeth, 2 strikes, unfortunately.
I know.
Sorry about that. We've got to say goodbye. Take care. We've got some gifts for you backstage. So long. All right, Grady, you're a big winner. Let's hear about the prizes. Gene, tell them.
A cash pot worth $500, his and her 10-speed bikes, and the home security system. Dynamark Security Center's Olympic 17 intrusion and fire protection system. Wireless radio technology, flexibility, and convenience protects your home and family, furnished by Dynamark. And an electronic keyboard. Yamaha Clavinova keyboard gives your family real piano tone and touch, but lets you practice in private, and they never need tuning, furnished by Yamaha. And Cancun, Mexico. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Cancun, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Crystal Cancun, superb Mexican hospitality, featuring a private Caribbean beach club, fine dining and entertainment, furnished by the Crystal Cancun. And Grady, you have a prize package worth, listen to this, $12,569.
Well, I guess it doesn't matter that you passed on that diamond ring.
No way.
You'll make up for it, I'm sure, if you win a brand new car.
You bet.
The whole
You bet.
family will be excited about that. When we come back, Grady has done well. 2 games, over $15,000, and now a chance to win a brand new car with these 15 numbered squares, and the clock set at 40 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
10, 12,
No.
1, 12,
Right.
13, 15,
No.
3, 2,
No.
6, 15,
Yes.
5, 3,
No.
2, 8, 11, 2, 3, 11,
Right.
8, 2, Zach, 5, 14.
You love that two combination, didn't you? We went backward often enough. But $15,029, including that holiday in Cancun. We're back.
You bet.
After this break. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Waverly wall coverings designed to beautify and customize your home. You may choose from My Favorite Things collection furnished by Waverly. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment. This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.